Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And today I'm going to make some really easy fudge. And you can use any flavor of baking chip that you want. I have 2 bags that are 11 ounces each of butterscotch chips, but certainly use any flavor you want. And I've got this can of sweetened condensed milk. You want to use that. And this recipe is actually on the inside here. And I'm going to use some vanilla, a teaspoon and a half of that, and a dash of salt, it says. So I've got the spatula that I'm going to use. I've got a saucepan here and a baking pan. Now this is like a cake size baking pan. The recipe says to use an 8-inch square or 9-inch square pan. I don't want my fudge to come out that thick, so I'm using a little bit larger pan, and I've got it lined with some wax paper so it'll make it really easy to come out. I have made a video doing this recipe in the microwave, and it's called 3-ingredient fudge. It uses the same thing, I just didn't put any salt in that recipe. And I used aluminum foil on it instead of wax paper, and like I said, I melted the chips in the microwave. The recipe here, actually, and it's hard to see, but I'm going to read it, says use 3 cups or 18 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And of course, these 2 bags are 11 ounces each, so that's 22 ounces. I'm just going to go ahead and use all of it. And 14 ounces of the sweetened condensed milk, a dash of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then it just says melt the chocolate chips with sweetened condensed milk and salt in a heavy saucepan. Remove from heat and stir in vanilla and spread evenly in the pan and chill for 2 hours. So it doesn't say what kind of temperature to use, but I'm just going to go with a lower to medium heat because I don't want to burn this, of course. So I've got the chips in there, and now I'm just going to add the condensed milk. I'm going to scrape all of this out of here, and then I'll show you as it starts melting, because I'm not sure how long this is going to take. Okay, I've got it pretty smooth, and it's probably been about 15 minutes. So we'll put some vanilla in it and mix it up. Okay, and then we're going to smooth it out into a baking dish that has the wax paper in it. You kind of gotta work fast because it wants to sit up as soon as you get it off the heat. And I'll just smooth it out, get the air bubbles out that I'm seeing right there on top. And then let it chill for a couple of hours in the fridge. Or I got a little dark spot because it got a little dark on the bottom. I guess if you have chocolate, it'd be harder to see if you're scorching it on the bottom. So, you know, just keep stirring it. Okay, we'll take a look at it after it's set up. Alright, it's been a couple of hours, so I'm going to take it out of here. I did pop it free of the pan, and I just want to get the wax paper off. sure it's all off. And I got the cutting board. And yeah, just cut it in the sizes you want it. Probably an inch square or less probably would be better, because I mean, it's fudge, it's going to be rich. So I'll cut it that way, and then turn it this way, and then I can cut the little squares. Just like that. Alright, let's try it. Yep. Tastes like butterscotch. Alright, thanks for watching.